Okay, so today we're going to have a look at a 2016 Kea River. This one's just arrived. It is a unit that's already been sold, and please note that the decals are optional. And beautiful looking unit though, 2016 Merc, well known for its reliability and power. We'll go inside and have a look inside. That's the most critical thing, I guess, at this stage. So inside, it's a standard 6-berth layout. So we've got cabin in here. As I said, Mercedes cabin, cruise control, Bluetooth, all the goodies, power windows, power steering. Terrific modern vehicle. Good access into the cab here, into the motorhome rather. And as we come into the motorhome, we have a 4-person dinette with 4 extra seat belts. So this is legally able to take 6 people. And yeah, it'll fit 6 people nicely. Looking down towards the back, we've got the kitchen on the right hand side and storage units all over the place, right around the motorhome, and a club lounge at the back. So as well as the dinette, we've got this club lounge area. Now this also converts to a bed, but you've got big picture windows here, so if you want to sleep above the cab and use this as a living area, you can. And that'll be a lovely area to sit during the day. There is a table that goes here as well. And then turning around and looking back down the motorhome, and we can see here on the right hand side is the bathroom, combo shower and toilet. So again, everything you need to keep yourself fresh while you're traveling. And on the other side, we've got fridge and microwave down alongside the fridge there. We've got a 4-burner stove here, of which 3 are gas and 1's electric. There's a griller underneath, and up top you've got a TV. All your 12-volt controls are over here. Whole system's run from one place, really easy to use. And then you've got the bed above the cab, big bed above the cab, about 160 wide, about 210 long, I think, from memory. So very nice unit. There is also air conditioning up on the roof there as well, and you have obviously got cabin air conditioning. TV has a DVD player in it, radio has a CD player. You've got freshwater tanks, grey water tanks, and of course a toilet cassette. Coming outside, there is one of the beautiful Sea-Vanner awnings up there, and a big storage hatch that goes back in under the club lounge. So good storage space there. And then around the other side, another little storage hatch, because that storage goes right through from one side of the motorhome to the other. Hot water service, toilet cassette, and then gas bottles further down. So a lovely unit. These retail, 2016 is $94,990 plus on-road costs. So if you have any interest in that, by all means, give us a call. We do have another one coming in about 3 weeks, but they are typically selling before they get here. So if you like the idea of a nice big motorhome to travel around Australia, get in quickly, give us a call, or contact us online at cairnsmotorhomes.com.au. You can book an inspection online, and yes, let's see if we can get one of these for you.